Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, what can we say except that for some reason we are back in this zone, and I think I just want to get the zone done properly. Give me 1 sec. I think that should be it. But maybe what we should do is just move it down onto these here, and let's just make them unselectable. Okay, so let's just zoom in here quickly. So look at the daily structure here. So we had pin bar to the upside, total confusion, down, range bar, confusion, engulfing, down. Then we got an inside bar, which is a bullish signal. Then we got an inside bar on Friday to the downside. Now we've gapped down and we like hovering down the bottom here. I think if you look at on the lower time frames, we're probably going to see that we are probably going to range. Okay, that's the most logical thing to happen. You can see we've got lots of tails here. I wouldn't expect us to break through these just yet. Bear in mind that Europe has gone into daylight savings, so markets will open an hour later. So we're quite a few hours ahead of the market at the moment. So that's kind of the structure I see. I see this ultimately being the bottom, which is 2800. Okay, and the upper end of this range is going to be 28454. So that's kind of what I think we're going to be doing today. Guys, it is elections now, so you're going to have to be very, very careful. The trades that you're going to get are going to be on the lower time frames, and I'll move down to the lower time frames now for you. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. We do this every single morning. Okay, right. If we look at the hour, you'll see the chaos. Okay, top of channel, bottom of channel, top of channel, and we're now heading towards bottom of channel at the moment with a gap here. Bear in mind what's happened every single time we've had a Monday gap, it has closed in that week. Okay, the last couple of weeks, that has been the pattern, that's been the play. So what would you expect to happen today? I would expect that to be closed. Okay, then we have a string of results this week. So we're expecting, it's Google, it's Apple, it's Facebook. So we've got some massive companies coming up this week. So you need to just keep your wits about you. Anything is possible at the moment. Okay, so for me, I think it's gap down at the moment. We're looking for structure. There is a bit of structure in this zone. So if we just, I'm going to pick up this swing low here, okay, which is 28149, and we're hovering on that at the moment. So my advice to you is the same as last week. Look for the 15-minute, look for the structure on the 15-minute. That's what you're looking for to get into trades. If you look at this, inside bar, does look like a bit of a setup brewing. What you want to be looking for, and I'm going to have to use a little white block here, and I'm going to extend that across. Okay, so you can see there's a tail from the open. We bounced up, we tested, and now we're trying to convince the world that we're going down. But there's low volumes at the moment in the Asian session, so I'm not paying attention to this right now. What I'm looking for out of this structure would be a break above this 28175. Break above, come back, test, hold it. It validates the micro double bottom here, and we have an opportunity to the upside. Okay, first target obviously would be gap close. Second target would be top of range at 28454. Okay, it is possible that we fall further, and I would expect us, if we did fall further, we would find some support down in this area here at 2800. Okay, so that's what you need to pay attention to. There's a lot of noise coming out with specifically in the UK at the moment, where the UK is going into, well, not UK, but Wales is going into hard lockdowns. Now, basically, hard lockdown means that you can't buy essential, non-essential goods. So in other words, you can't buy a plastic tub or a frying pan, or in South Africa's case, it was included alcohol and cigarettes. So how that stops the virus, I have no idea, but it does destroy economies pretty quickly. So yeah, So I think there's a lot of fear on that'll be brewing in Europe at the moment as well. Okay, so watch out for this. What we're looking for is structure. We've got structure, but we need confirmation. So confirmation would be a break above 28,175. Okay, retested that. Then we're looking for long. We're looking to get through, firstly, 28,252, and that'll probably offer some resistance. And then we're looking for gap close and then top of range. Okay, bear in mind all the results that are coming through. So this is so typical when there's big results coming through. And you can see market tends to go in the opposite direction, and then the results come through, and then all of a sudden you have these big bars coming through. But we do have elections next week, so I think this is going to be the play for the week, to be honest. Patience is going to be key. So that's it for me today. Remember, if you're on the lower time frames, look for your structure. You can draw your structure in on the hours. Okay, and that's where your stop area is. So you want to be below 28. I would say probably your stop area is going to be around 29,950 or 29,980, something like that. Just below that round number, that's going to be your stop area. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps. Stay safe and keep those stops really, really tight. Catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.